So friends, is there a technique in Vedic astrology via which you can get to know about the circumstances of your death in the past lifetime? So guys, there is a movie around the same concept made in Hollywood. Though the case is different in that movie, the lead actor was a charlatan, he was a con man. But because of that only, it becomes very important to know that are there any techniques, because it's a topic or a subject where you do not have anything to verify or claim, predicting things from your past life. So now comes the question that what all techniques we as an astrology enthusiast can follow. So see guys, generally the recommended techniques are you have to give attention to the 8th house, because 8th house act as a portal between two lives. Now obviously in spirituality we believe that soul never dies. Soul is always in an uninterrupted journey towards the perfection to get embraced with the divine reunion, and death just act as a phase in between. So 8th house and giving attention to the analysis of the 8th house in your ascendant chart becomes important. Ketu in your chart is very important because Ketu act as a window for getting a sneak peek into your past lifetime. Many astrologers also give attention to your Atma Karakas placement in the D9 chart, which will become the Kara Kamsa Lagna. So the second house of the Kara Kamsa Lagna, you have to give attention to that as well. And many astrologers also recommend looking at the 8th house of the D60 chart called as the Shashtiamsha chart, apart from giving attention to the 12th house as well. Now guys, if I were to advise what works for me or what I generally follow is, more than any of these things, what matters the most is at the time of your birth, what was the Mahadasha, Antardasha sequence in which you are born. That will give you a precise information. If there is a connection of the 8th house, like you are born and at that time you were in the Antardasha of Saturn being placed in the 8th house, this could be chronic illness, or this could be Mars, then because of some operation or surgery or some weapons or wounds, that could be the reason of the death. If it is like planet like Jupiter or the moon and making a connection with the 4th house or the 2nd house, this could mean that you died happily in your home, around your loved ones, close to your loved ones. So more than anything, giving attention to your Antardasha and Mahadasha at the time of the birth gives you vital information regarding the circumstances of your death in the last lifetime.